You ever have one of those great ideas, but then you just stop? All because of one little thought, but I'm not an expert yet. Well, today we're going to take that myth and completely tear it apart. That is probably the single biggest idea that holds people back. This feeling that you need some kind of fancy certificate on your wall, or, I don't know, a decade of experience before you're even allowed to create something. But what if that's all just wrong? In fact, if you look at some of the most successful companies out there, a ton of them were started by total beginners. They weren't experts, they were just people driven by a personal need. So let's get into how they actually did it. See, the real starting point, the foundation for all of this, it isn't expertise, it's a problem. And to be more specific, it's your problem. This whole strategy is built on one simple idea, and it's called scratching your own itch. This idea just completely flips the script. Instead of trying to guess what other people might want, you just focus on a challenge that you are personally dealing with right now. You literally become customer zero. And seriously, this can apply to anything. It could be something super complex like trying to learn day trading, or a big project like figuring out how to flip houses, or hey, even a hobby like just wanting to get really, really good at ping pong. If it's a real problem for you, I guarantee it's a real problem for a lot of other people too. Okay, so you've got your itch, but you're still not an expert. So how do you actually build something valuable? Well, this is where the engine of the whole strategy kicks in. It's called the crowdsourcing method. And trust me, this is where the magic happens. The best part is just how simple it is. Your job isn't to have all the answers. Nope. Your job is to be the organizer. You just go out and find other people who are struggling with that exact same itch, and you create a space, a community, where you can all figure it out together. You're not the teacher here. You're the leader of the quest. Now you're probably thinking, okay, so I need this massive online following, right? Wrong. All you really need is a small, dedicated group of maybe 100 to 500 people who are just as passionate about solving this thing as you are. That's it. It's a totally achievable, totally powerful community. I know, it almost sounds too simple, doesn't it? So what's the secret sauce here? What is it that makes the small group of fellow beginners so incredibly powerful? It's not just about sharing notes and learning together. There is a hidden benefit here, and it changes absolutely everything. All right, this is it. This is the most powerful part of the entire strategy. It's how that small community you built becomes your secret weapon, something that unlocks doors you thought were completely sealed shut. That little grip you put together, it's way more than just a community. Think of it like a skeleton key. A master key that can open any lock. And in this case, it unlocks access to the real experts. We're talking about the people who are way, way above your weight class. This causes a huge power shift. See, before you were a taker. You were that person sending a cold email, begging a busy expert for a favor. But now, with your community, you become a giver. All of a sudden, you have something incredibly valuable that you can offer them. So here's the pitch you can make. You don't ask for a favor. You offer them distribution. You offer them direct access to your super focused, passionate audience, all in exchange for just 30 minutes of their time to do a little Q&A. And what happens is this amazing two-part win. First, you get world-class knowledge and content directly from a top expert, which helps you solve your itch way faster. And maybe even more important, your community starts to see you as a hero for bringing them that incredible value. You've become the essential bridge. So look, this isn't just some cool theory. It's a real actionable plan. Let's boil it all down into a super simple 3-step playbook you can literally start using today. It really is this straightforward. Step 1, find your itch. What's that one problem you are genuinely passionate about solving for yourself? Step 2, gather your crowd. Go find just 100 other people who share that same itch. And then, step 3, connect with experts. Use that crowd as your skeleton key to unlock all their wisdom. So there you have it, the expert myth is officially busted. You do not need to be an expert to start something valuable. You just need to be a great convener of people who share the same problem. So the only question left is, what problem will you solve together?